Good afternoon, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Irene, the Dirty Dragon, and I haven't been doing a lot outside. I've mentioned this before, but I've got a couple of injuries that have been keeping me from doing much of anything in the garden. I'm pretty much supervising other people at this point, trying to get my stuff done, but today I'm in the greenhouse doing some winter sowing, and that in itself I've done a video about previously, but I wanted to show you something that's super cool. I have a number of seeds that are hydraulic. So when they have been dried out and then they're exposed to moisture, it activates portions of their biology, I guess, for lack of a better term at the moment, that has them expand and twist and so forth, and it helps them to bury the actual seed itself into the soil. So I'm taking videos of some of them, so I'm just going to add them in here, and literally that's all this video is going to be, is just showing you how friggin' cool nature is. I mean, how hydraulically activated freaking seeds. How cool is that, right? So I've got three. I've got Stipa gigantea, which is a grass. I've got Pulsatilla vulgaris, which is also known as prairie crocus, I think, or pasque flower. And then I'm also going to do an annual grass called bunny tails, which does the same kind of thing. And so I'm going to show you just how cool these movements are. Okay, so that's all I wanted to show you, just how cool that is. So what they're actually doing is each one has a different mechanism, but they are propelling themselves towards the soil so that the seed head is either oriented downwards, and then they can sometimes twist so that the seed plants itself, or basically just starts to orient itself properly so that as it rains and stuff, it will be in the proper position for optimal growth. As I said, it's different for each type of seed, but super, super freaking cool. Okay, peace out, bitches.